Join me today in Castlewellan Forest Park. This park is very old and it has a lot of history. Castlewellan Domain opened in the 17th century by a family ranging back from the Ulster plantation. Since then it has changed hands, but mainly been in the family. In 1969 it finally opened as a forest park for the public, and it's really wonderful. There is over 25 kilometers of walking trails. The lake spans 1.7 kilometers in length, and there is a massive maze which is over 3.5 kilometers of passages. It's a really lovely place. There's a lot of nature, a lot of walks, and a lot to see. Today it's a bit windy, but the sun is out and it's relatively dry. Entrance to Castlewellan Forest Park is £5. This is the price for one car. And as you can see behind me, there is a huge car park with picnic tables, places where you can actually grill food, and it's rather nice. There is a public toilets here as well, so it's definitely worth it. And there is another car park, a smaller one for disabled people, that's far closer to the lake and the main walks, so it's perfect for any people. This one is right beside a mountain bike trail, and that's really great as well because you don't need to carry your bike through some mountainous paths. It's all nice and close together. This peace maze is so called because it celebrates the Good Friday Agreement, and it usually takes people 40 minutes to find the center. We'll see how quickly it takes us. Hopefully it's not much longer than that. There is no doubt in my mind that this maze is challenging. It's a puzzle for sure. It's really nice. This maze is well looked after for sure. The maze is a good one. I started there behind me, and to get to the middle took me maybe 25 to 30 minutes. Quite considerable time. It's really nice, and well, there aren't many dead ends, but there's paths that just turn in on themselves and you just end up where you started. So it is a bit complicated in that sense. I do highly recommend it. If you're ever in this area, come to the maze, it's fun. The gardens in which I find myself in are rather small, but really nice. There's a lot of closed off and individual gardens with individual teams. And there's benches dedicated to people who love this place. It's really nice. At the minute, it's, well, the weather's turning for the worse and it's starting to drizzle, so I'm just going to hurry on and continue with the day.